Deep Creek Middle School here in Chesapeake was built in 1955, so it's a bit of an old school, but it's a beautiful school in so many ways. However, they have two great courtyards that need a little bit of help. So the Hampton Roads Show got an email from Dory Suttmiller, the U.S. history teacher here at Deep Creek Middle, and you had an ask. What was that all about, Dory?
Well, my classroom overlooks these courtyards, and my students look out the window pretty much every day, and they ask to come outside a lot. And we try to bring them out here as much as we can, but when we bring them out here, it's either too hot or there's just nothing for them to do. So we end up going back indoors.
So why is it important to get them outside?
Well, students today, they spend way too much time inside, especially in school. They're under fluorescent lights, they're in front of screens, and we really need to get them outside under some sunshine, get some sunshine in their life.
And why did you contact the Hampton Roads Show?
I just know that you're very active in the community, and you like to help schools and students, and I thought you were the perfect match for this project.
Well, we do like to help as any way we can, and we do have the perfect person to try to make a difference here, and that is Micah Miller at Easton Outdoors, who does amazing things in people's backyards and schools and zoos and you name it. So when we contacted you, we told you there's a challenge
That's
here.
right.
When you first look at the courtyards, what do you think?
Yeah, so at first glance, I can tell that this courtyard was loved and was well used at one point. And I agree, like we need to get kids outside, we need to get them into the yard. And I think of, what the purpose of building somebody's backyard is, right? My goal in designing a space is to pull people into their backyards. And I think that's the challenge that I have here at this school, is how do I pull those kids into this courtyard and make them proud of this space?
Well, I think it's important to give them something to be proud of. And
That's
when
true.
you look at what you're working with, what do you see that you can work with to make them proud?
Yeah, so first thing I see is there's a lot of square footage out here, right? So there's a big area, it's a big play area, it's a big space we can work with. So I don't know all the concepts of how I'm gonna do it. Like I'm still trying to put together what we need to do, but there is ways to create some nice seating out here, to create some shade. But the idea is get them out here reading, get them out here relaxing. Give them, they even mentioned doing incentive programs for the kids to get them time outside. So I don't have all the ideas of how to put that together, but I know that there is a way to get those kids out here. We just have to kind of figure out what that activity and what that space looks like.
Well, we do know that we're going to give them something that they can be proud of, that
Yep.
the students, the teachers, the staff, the family, the parents of the kids can come and know that this place is loved and give them something they can hold on to.
Yeah, I kind of look at the concept of when I'm pulling people into their backyard, if you're already in the yard, to pick up a stick or to weed a couple places in the garden is easy because you're already outside. But if you're not using the outside at all, you don't see that vine growing up the side of the house. You don't see the pieces of furniture that have fallen apart. And that's kind of the way I look at this, is there's not something pulling everybody to it. So things have it needs help, it needs some love, and it needs something to pull everybody into this space. And then while they're here, they'll get excited about it. They'll love it, they'll take pride. The family, the teachers, the kids, everybody's gonna come out here and be excited about it.
Excellent. It all starts with an idea, and the idea came from you, Dory, so we're gonna make this happen. And we're joined by Micah Miller from Easton Outdoors. This project sounds really cool, but we need some help from our viewers to help complete it. Throughout this week, we will be asking our viewers to pick this or that, and then we decide what to use for the makeover. Micah, so what is you've got some ideas here, and we do have the first this or that, and we need your help.
I need their help.
What are we doing here? Which is the pick right today?
So today we're gonna talk about shade, because it's a wide open courtyard. It is full sun. While it's not going to be used necessarily all summer long, there is some pretty hot days during September and October, and then also as we wind down school in April and May. So we need to make sure that these kids have a place to go and get some shade. So should we do a shade sale?
Which is this?
Yep. Or that, which is a pergola or some sort of structure.
So this is the shade sale, the pergola is the that. So we want you guys at home to, we want you to help you with this. We want your help with this.
We need input.
But Dory, thank you so much for reaching out to us, and we're real happy to reach out to you for this.
Yeah.
And this is something I know you're so good at Easton Outdoors, you do it in the zoo or at people's homes. These courtyards are very large.
They are,
but you can make a difference though. You can make one area there that can be spectacular.
Yeah, and one thing that kind of struck me as we're talking with the principal and the teacher and everybody there, one of the things that kind kind of struck me is like they want the kids to get out there, so they're looking for something that the kids can latch onto, something the kids can take ownership of, and some way to get them into the space. So I think we've got some ideas, and shade, seating, like we've got a bunch of different stuff we'll show you guys throughout the week of how we can get these kids outside. Yeah.
Well, we're thrilled for this, you know, because the Hampton Roads Show can help make it happen. You're going to do the work. You're going to make them very proud, but we want your help at home. So it's the first of a few this or that's. We want viewers to head over to Facebook page to vote for your favorite. Go to our Facebook page. Let us know which one. Should we use this, the sunshade, or that, the pergola?
Yeah. So pergola will probably be a little bit more compact, whereas a sunshade will be really wide.
Okay, so should we use this or that? In the next segment or so, on the next Courtyard Makeover, tomorrow we'll have another this or that just for you. All right, this segment of Hampton Roads Show is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. They're located at 550 With Creek Road in Pocosin. Give them a call at 757-262-3232 or visit easton-outdoors.com. Check out more photos on social media for inspiration. They're on Facebook and Instagram at Easton Outdoors LLC. And don't forget, head over to the HRS Facebook page to weigh in on our favorite. Pick this or pick that.